the previous class notes. আমি ভাবছি আজকে একটু কোশ্চেন করি। হুম, কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার রাউন্ড হবে? বলো, একজন পালিয়ে গেল শুনে। কি বলছো অরিত্র, কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার রাউন্ড করবো
জানি না।
না পড়ে নেবেন? পড়োনি কেউ?
লাস্ট ক্লাসে আমি আর এমনি ইন্টারনেট
ক্লাস
কানেকশন
নয়,
হচ্ছিল
মানে
না
টিল
ছিল।
নাও যা হয়েছে।
আচ্ছা।
হুম, মানে
জানি
সারপ্রাইজ ভাইবা রাউন্ড।
জানি না স্যার।
সারপ্রাইজ ভাইবা জানো কি জিনিস?
হ্যাঁ।
ডু ইউ নো অ্যাবাউট সারপ্রাইজ ভাইবা?
হ্যাঁ, কাইন্ড অফ।
তো পড়া হয়নি এক দুদিন
স্যার
টাইম
পড়া
লাগবে।
হয়নি স্যার আগের দিনেরটা। আজকে
হ্যাঁ সেটা
আজকে পড়িয়ে দিন
বলো
স্যার।
বলো, মানে দেখো, ডোন্ট ফিল
নেক্সট
গিলটি, হ্যাঁ, মানে একদম ওপেনলি বলো যে স্যার আমি যে পড়িনি।
স্যার
ঠিক আছে,
পড়িনি স্যার।
একটা বড় ব্যাপার
আজকে
না।
পড়ি,
প্রথমের দিকে
আজকে
পড়া,
পড়িয়ে দিন
তারপরে
স্যার।
নিচের দিকে কয়েকটা জায়গায় ঝামেলা হয়ে গেছে, ওগুলো একটু দেখতে হবে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, সে আমি একদিন নেক্সট দিন সারপ্রাইজ না করে একটা ডেট দিয়ে দেবো। সেদিন কিন্তু আমি র্যান্ডামলি পিক করে কোশ্চেন করবো।
হ্যাঁ,
ঠিক
নেক্সট
আছে,
উইকে
আর
হোক
ওটা
স্যার।
কিন্তু আমি মার্কস দেবো এবং ওটা কুইজ টেস্ট হবে, আর আমি ওটাকে নোট করবো মার্কসটা। অ্যান্ড যদি তোমাদের ফাইনাল এক্সাম না হয় তাহলে কিন্তু ওই মার্কস গুলোই যাচ্ছে, কারণ আগের বার যেটা হয়েছে আমাদের সি এর মার্কস গুলো সব গেছে। ঠিক আছে, তো অ্যাসাইনমেন্টস কুইজ এখান থেকেই কিন্তু আমরা মার্কিং করেছি কোন স্টুডেন্ট কিরকম। সুবায়ন অলরেডি, না টেস্ট এখনো শুরু হয়নি, তো হয়ে যাবে নেক্সট উইক থেকে। কলেজের বা ইউনিভার্সিটির কবে শুরু হবে আমি জানি না। ইউনিভার্সিটি তোমাদের মোটামুটি ধরো অ্যাপ্রক্স আগস্ট, তো সেপ্টেম্বর ফার্স্ট উইক অ্যাপ্রক্স ধরে রাখো। বিকজ ইউনিভার্সিটি জাস্ট ইনফর্ম, হুম, অ্যাক্সিডেন্টালি ইনফর্ম before 2 days, before 3 days. This is the habit of our university. So be prepared.
অ্যাক্সিডেন্টালি না ইন্টেনশনালি?
কেন করে স্যার
আমি তো
এরকম?
ইন্টারনেটে এটা বলতে পারি
একদিন
না,
দুদিন
কোনো
আগে,
কিছু না। ঠিক আছে,
একদিন
যাই
দুদিন
হোক।
আগে বলে দেয়।
হুম। Okay, write down one problem from cache updation or cache coherence.
স্যার
Oh,
রেকর্ডিংটা স্টার্ট করে নিন।
oh, yes. write down one problem for cash updation part. Consider write through cash. Consider write through cash. Consider write through cash where it is 5 times faster. Where it is 5 times faster than main memory. Faster than main memory. And they given also this one, each are equal to 0.8. 0.8, okay, 0.8 each are. And they also given that 30% references. 30% references for write operation. For write operation. And main memory access time 100 nanosecond. Yes. 100 nanosecond. Okay, and what is this HR? HR is the heat ratio of read operation. Heat ratio of read operation. Now they asking that number one question. They asking that what is the average read access time? What is the average read access time? So you can signify the average read like this. T average R. Okay, average read access time. Okay, this one first question here. Second question, what is the average access time? What is the average access time? Total access time. When both read and write taken into consideration. What is the access time, average access time, when both read and write taken into the consideration? So, done? Question is done? Hello?
Yes, sir.
মানে
Yes, sir.
কোশ্চেনটা লিখেছো তো?
হ্যাঁ,
তাহলে
sir.
আমি
Yes, sir.
সলিউশনটায় যাব।
হ্যাঁ স্যার
So, what is the formula for T average in case of those problems in which read and write operation taken into consideration? So it is like this: frequency of read operation into T average read, okay, plus frequency of write operation into T average write. So you have to calculate first the T average read and T average write, individual T average for the read operation, for the write operation, and after you getting the both two terms, you will get the final T average. Okay. So this is the formula for your write read operation into cache memory access time. So now we have to calculate the T average write. Okay. So what is the T average write here? This is write through cache, na? Write through cache. So in case of write through cache, what is the time of T updation? Go back to previous notes. Go back to previous notes, you can get it. What is the formula for T updation? Updation means write operation. Okay, updation means write. This is the terminology. You have to understand this. Update means you have to update something, so you have to write something. Okay. So what is the formula now? Bolo? Maximum of in write through, maximum of TC and TM. So what is the value of TC? 5 times faster than main memory. That's why the TC is 20 nanosecond. Why? Because TM is 100 nanosecond. It is given, na? So which one is maximum? 100. So what is your T average? T average W means T average, right? Is 100 nanosecond. 100 nanosecond. Okay. Now we have to calculate the T average read also. So what is T average read here? T average read, see in the problem there is something like this HR. So what is the HR? HR is your hit ratio of read operation. So HR into TC, cache memory, okay, plus 1 minus HR into TM, default case. They don't mention any cases here, so that's why it is default case, the default formula for hit ratio and access time, case 1. So now what is the value here? 0.08 into TC. TC is 20 and plus 0.2 into 100. So what is the value? 36. You just calculate 36. Now you get the T average read and you also get the T average write. So from these two you can get the T average. Substitute this value into the formula, first formula. Now what is this one actually? The frequency of write and frequency of read and write. So from where you get the frequency? See, the 30% of references for the write operation. So if the 30% write operation, so how many read operation? Well,
70%.
yes, 70% is read operation. So what is the frequency? What is the frequency means the probability. What is the probability of read?
0.7.
0.7.
will be 0.3, 0.7.
Huh?
0.3 and 0.7.
Yes, sir.
30% means how much? 0.3?
0.3.
Oh, okay. 0.3
Yes, sir.
is your write operation. So how much is what is the read operation then? 1 minus 0.3? 0.7. So if you substitute this one in this formula, so if W equal to, it is given na 30%, 30% means 30 by 100, 0.3, okay, and read 1 minus 0.3, it is 0.7 here. So now just substitute this value into the main T average equation here. So what is the value now? Value FR 0.7. 0.7 into T average write, T average read. So what is the T average read? 36. 0.7 into 36 plus 0.3 into 100.
55.2.
How much?
55.2.
55.2. It is your answer. This kind of problem can be given in the semester. Okay. Okay, so this is the right through. This is for the right through. Hmm.
Sir, references মানেটা কি?
References one are the blocks.
Okay.
References here signifies the blocks of the cache memory.
Okay.
Okay. All of you have done this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question, any question আছে? দেখে নিয়ে একবার chat box. References, okay. References is the blocks of the cache. Here. আর কিছু নেই. TM main memory access time. Unit nanosecond to? Yes, obviously. Okay. Write down this problem is good problem, nice problem. Rajan Chauhan. Okay, one notice for you that in all the classes, lab or as well as the theory, you have to join the classes with your real name. Okay, with your real name. If we see that someone use something different, then we just keep off from the class. রাজীব স্যার তোমাদের এটা বলবে, ঠিক আছে? সো আগের দিন ল্যাবেও অনেকে রিয়েল নেম ইউজ করোনি, তো যদি রিয়েল নেম ইউজ না করো, ইফ ইউ ডোন্ট ইউজ রিয়েল নেম, সো হাউ উই রেকগনাইজ ইউ? ওকে, লেট মি চেক 1 সেকেন্ড। আমি কিন্তু বার করে দেবো, বলে দিলাম কিন্তু রিয়েল নেম না থাকলে। Who is this one? Jeet Gaming? Huh? Change your name. Change your name. I just removed from the meeting. Change your name, then rejoin. Name and join. Change your name, then join. %, heat for read. Consider a cache.
পার্টটা বাকি ছিল তো।
Yes.
সেকেন্ড পার্টটা বাকি ছিল ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেনের। What is the total access time when both read and write taken into
We have
consideration?
done, na? See, this is the
T
answer.
average.
T average we have
ওটাই
done.
T average.
55.2 T average. See, in the
At
T average,
frequency
the
one.
both read and write taken to be consideration. Okay,
Okay sir, okay.
so this is the first part, I think. The read, only read. They want to know the average read access time. The first part, 36 nanosecond is the answer, and for the second part, answer is 55.2 2 nanosecond.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. Consider a cache 80% heat for read and 90% heat for write. Okay,
What's that?
I just give you the question into our CO group, okay, because it is long. One second. Yeah. I read the question properly, try to understand the problem, and try to solve it. This is the last one for today's class. If you solve this question, you can solve any question from read and write. Any question. Any question from the world. Question from IITs, MITs, Oxford, Stanford, any from any university. You can solve from this topic. If you solve this, I guaranteed.
Sir, write back, write allocate strategy টা কি?
Yes.
Write back and write allocate strategy.
I will tell you. I will tell you what is the right allocation. You know the right back, no? You already know right back strategy. I
Yes,
will
sir.
tell you the right allocation. First, try to understand the problem. Okay, write down one little note for the right allocate strategy. কোথাও একটা লিখে নাও। One line. Right allocates is kind of write back where allocates the block into the cache after that perform the write operation. When you perform the write operation, then you allocate the block into the cache. That means when t average write is done, then you allocate.
Hello.
So this is the only difference. And what is the write back strategy? Write back strategy.
স্যার একবার
আরেকবার
রিপিট
বলুন না।
করবেন?
Allocates the block. Right allocate to allocate the block into the cache after that perform the write operation. And এটা হয়েছে তো, লাইনটা হয়েছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, and right allocate strategy is aimed AIMEMD is aimed for reducing the penalty to the future reference. Reducing the penalty to the future reference. Right allocate is aimed for reducing the penalty for the future reference.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, sir, just a question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sir, this right allocate strategy, it occurs when there is miss in the cache. Then only it can happen.
Yes. Whether is miss in the cache. Exactly.
Oh,
But it
Okay, sir.
write back also that do that. But write back do in the present miss. But right allocate, the strategy of right allocate is not for the present miss. Not for the present miss. It is used
Yes.
for the future miss. In the future, which block can be
Yes, sir.
missed? Yes.
Okay, sir.
This is the actual difference. So just write down this line. Not for the current reference in right allocate strategy, not for the current reference, only for future reference. Right allocate strategy is aimed for reducing the penalty to the future references. So what is the penalty? Extra time. Extra time is your penalty. And future means the future read and write operations. Okay, so not for the current reference, only used for the present future reference. So in this problem, you don't need to calculate for the right allocate. Okay, you just calculate the T average read, T average write, and T average for the write back policy. And you already know the formula of T average read and T average write for the catch in the previous class, write back. Okay, chalo. So what is the points to be noted before solve the problem? First point is write back is only used when the cache memory is full. When the cache memory is full. So what is the value parameters given on your problem? TC, how much? Bolo, 10 nanosecond. What is the value of TM? 100 nanosecond.
100 nanosecond.
TC means cache access time and TM means main memory access time. What is the value of HR? Hit ratio of read? 80%, I think.
80%.
0.8.
0.8.
0.8.
What is the value of HW? 90%.
0.9.
0.9.
Yes, 90%. What is the percentage of dirty blocks? Dirty blocks concept is
30%,
used in
sir.
the write back policy. So
20.
which block is dirty?
30.
You only replace that block to the right block, right back. So when you replace the dirty block, you can replace the clean block also. If you replace the dirty block, then you have to consider the total read updation, cache updation time, which is given in the previous class for the write back strategy. Okay, so now another thing is FR, frequency of read, how much? 60%, and frequency of right? 40%.
40.
So how many things are given here? Don't scared. Okay, it is very easy. We will solve step by step. Block size, how much? 2 words. So much data is given in the problem. Now from this data, first you have to calculate the TB. TB means the block access time. Why we calculate this TB? Because they are given the block size 2 words. Okay, so TB here, the T new and T old, 2 into the cache time, this time plus the main memory time. This is your actual block access time. What is the TB? Block access time. So 2 into this, so what is the value now? 220, no? 220 is your block access time. Because
এটা
yes,
বুঝলাম না, এটা
in the write back policy, you have to calculate the TB.
ওকে
You have to calculate the TB. What is the formula for write back? What is the formula? What is the formula for T updation in write back? See, TB old plus TB new plus cache access time. So this is the total value of T updation, means T average write. So this is the value. So that's why we calculate the TB here. And here the TB new and TB old are same. Why it is same? Because you have to move the same block. So time is also same for the same block. So now next part. আচ্ছা, এই পার্টটা হলো, এতটা হয়েছে তো?
Yes, sir.
1 second, হ্যাং হয়ে গেছে। ওহো, is not working. Oh, ঠিক আছে। Okay, so here now what is the value of T average read? First bolo, HR, the hit ratio of read, into cache access time plus 1 minus HR. Now this is the problems. Now 1 minus HR. Now what is the time of TM? Now you have to substitute this total time in the place of TM. In the place of TM. What is the meaning of 1 minus HR? 1 minus HR means miss. So if miss is happen, when miss is happen? When the cache is full. So you have to get the block from the main memory. You have to get the block from the main memory. So now you have to, it is hard for you, na? Now you have to use the dirty block concept for the, yes?
Sir, why are we not? So ওখানে TM use হচ্ছে না কেন?
TM এখানে লেখা যাবে না, because it is write back policy. Okay, so এখানে TM লেখা যাবে না, এখানে তোমাকে ব্লকটাকে রাইট করতে হবে দুবার করে, মানে একবার রাইট করতে হবে প্রথমে তো রিড, যদি অনলি রিড হতো, এই রিডের ক্ষেত্রেও কিন্তু তোমাকে ব্লকটাকে মানে কি বলবো আনতে হবে আর কি। মেন মেমোরি থেকে নিয়ে আসতে হবে, ব্লকটা তো নেই মেন মেমোরিতে। তুমি কি করে মানে ক্যাশে তো ব্লকটা নেই, মিস হওয়া মানে কি ক্যাশে ব্লকটা নেই, ঠিক আছে? তোমাকে মেন মেমোরি থেকে ব্লকটা আনতে হবে। সেটার যে টাইমটা লাগতো সেটা হচ্ছে 100 ন্যানো সেকেন্ড অ্যাকচুয়াল টিএম যেটা তুমি বলছো। বাট তুমি যে ব্লকটাকে নিয়ে আসছো এবার সেটাকে দেখতে হবে সেটা ডার্টি ব্লক না ক্লিন ব্লক, ঠিক আছে? তো দ্যাটস ওয়াই এখানে কিন্তু ডাইরেক্টলি টিএমটা লেখা যাবে না।
ওকে স্যার।
বুঝতে পারলে ব্যাপারটা কি বলছি?
হ্যাঁ স্যার বুঝেছি।
হ্যাঁ, সো ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি অফ এখানে দেখো ডার্টি ব্লক ক্লিন ব্লক কনসেপ্টটা লাগবে। এইবার কি হচ্ছে, how much clean block are there? If the 30% block are dirty, then 70% block are clean. So 70% into the TB new plus cash here. এখনো হয়নি, plus 30% block are dirty. So here you use total thing, this thing, T old, TB new, TB old, you can write TB old, TB new and TC. Now you get the T average read. Just substitute the values. All values are given here. The main problem is to build this one, this formula. How much time? 11:30? 11:30 মধ্যে শেষ করতে হবে। Okay, so if you substitute that, so how much? 0.8 into 10 plus 0.2 is 5.21 minus 0.8 into 70% means 0.7 into TB new plus TC. TB new, what is the value of TB new? 220 nanosecond. So 220 plus 10. 220 plus 10. Now, আচ্ছা, যে কোশ্চেনটা করেছিলে যেখানে টিএমটা কেন ইউজ হচ্ছে না, বিকজ দেখো এই যে টিবি টাইমটা বের করেছি না, এই টাইমটার মধ্যে কিন্তু আমরা টিএম কে কনসিডার করে নিয়েছি, বুঝতে পারছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হ্যালো,
হ্যাঁ স্যার
দেখো আমরা টিএম কে অলরেডি ইনক্লুড করে ফেলেছি, কারণ যেহেতু এটা ব্লক বাই ব্লক করছে, আবার এখানে ব্লক সাইজও দেওয়া রয়েছে, দ্যাটস ওয়াই আমি কিন্তু টিবি ব্লক অ্যাক্সেস টাইমটার মধ্যে এটাকে ক্যালকুলেট করে ইনক্লুড করে নিয়েছি। সো উই ইনক্লুড দ্য টিএম, দ্য মেমোরি অ্যাক্সেস টাইম ইন দ্য দিস ফর্ম টিবি। ওকে, নাও আই থিঙ্ক ইট ইজ ক্লিয়ার টু ইউ।
স্যার
হ্যাঁ
স্যার তাহলে এখানে আমরা মানে ডিফল্ট ফর্মুলা ইউজ করছি না, আমরা ও স্ট্রিক্ট হায়ারার্কি ওইটা ইউজ করছি।
এক সেকেন্ড, আমি শুনতে পাচ্ছি না, একটু জোরে বলো তো।
Yes, sir. So I'm saying that so in this case we are not using that default formula for T average. So
Yes,
because in this case we are taking in simple words T1 plus T2. So actually it is following strict hierarchy one, that
forming.
strict hierarchy form. That it means it is we are not using the default formula in this case.
Yes, because you can't use the default formula, because in the problem they are already told that, see, whether it is read miss or write miss, a two-word block must be brought from main memory to cache memory. See the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's why we cannot use the default formula. If you want to access the block, so and it is missed, First, the block is transferred from main memory to cache memory.
Cache,
Then cache
yes,
memory
sir.
to CPU.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, that's why
Yes,
we include the cache memory time also.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the dirty block? 30%. So 0.3, and what is the value here? 2 times 220 is used. 2 times plus 10. Anyone please doing it into calculator and quickly tell me the value.
175.2.
না ভুল হয়েছে,
হ্যাঁ
ভালো করে করো, ভালো করে করো। সবার 175 এসছে? যদি সবার আছে তাহলে আমি ভুল করেছি, কিন্তু একটা হবে। আমি যখন স্টুডেন্ট ছিলাম তখন ভুল করেছি আর কি। I think it is 67.2. দেখো তো।
Yes, sir. 67.2.
Yes, 67.2 nanosecond. Don't bother about the values, okay? Just just you need to focus on this formula. Don't just waste so much time to calculating the value. Now T average right is done. Can you tell me what is the T average? Read is done. Now you need to calculate the T average right. By the same formula, just hit ratio of right is taken into consideration here. Okay, this portion is same. Just here you substitute in place of HR, you substitute HW.
So 38.6.
38.6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, exactly. You are correct. T average right. Same thing. HW taken into consideration here. HW into TC plus 1 minus HW. Okay, I solve all kind of problems in the class. For the theory questions, I also told you the theory questions. You if you took my notes, took my words in your copy, then theory question must be answered. But for your reference, I give you some notes here in the Google Classroom. You can study this note for the answering the theory question or books. Okay. So here 70%, if you understand the topic, so you can write the theory question as your own. You don't need to study the notes and book. So TB new plus TC plus here 30% into TB new plus TB old Why it is TB old? Because dirty, in case of the dirty block, TB old taken into consideration here. And same as TC. So when you substitute the values, you got 38.6 nanosecond. See one thing, if you increase the hit ratio, then automatically T average is lesser. I told you in first class, if you increase the heat ratio, then heat ratio is inversely proportional to the average access time. You remember that line? So in the previous case, what is heat ratio? 0.8. You get the value 67.2. You just increase the heat ratio by 0.1 here because HW is 0.9. So just 0.1 and see what is the change. Huge change in the T average. It is approximately half. No? So now I think you can calculate the, all of you can calculate the total T average at time. Just substitute this one in this formula. The previous one, same. F R into T average R plus FW into T average W. I think you have all the values of FR, FW, T average right and T average read. So if you substitute the values, you got that 55.76. 55.76 nanosecond.
So
Calculate
Darty
it.
block
Calculate it. Don't copy it. Just calculate it. I give you the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
55.76.
হ্যাঁ স্যার 55.
Yes, কিছু বলছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
ওটাই
বলছি
এসেছে,
ডার্টি,
স্যার।
ডার্টি বিটটা বুঝতে পারছো না?
হ্যাঁ ওটা একটু আরেকবার এক্সপ্লেন করে দিলে ভালো।
Okay, go back to your, আমার কাছে নোট নেই, ঠিক আছে? Go back to your previous notes, previous class. In the write back policy. And look at the diagram. Look at the diagram. Where 5, 15, 7, 20, the blocks numbers. See the diagram? Okay, when the cache is full, that means the misses happen. Misses happen. So, if we want to replace the block from the cache and that block is dirty, then we have to consider the previous T memory access time for the dirty block. If the block is clean, then we just calculate the new block. New block means from the main memory which block going to be transferred, that is the new block, and from the cache memory which block going to be replaced, that is your dirty block. That can be clean and that can be dirty. That is your old block. That is your old block. So what is new block? ভালো করে শোনো, new block is main memory to cache memory যে ব্লকটা আসছে, transferring the block from main memory to cache memory. This is the new block. And for this replacement, if the cache is full, so you have to free the cache logically. So we have to replace the some block from the cache, and that block which we want to replace, this is your old block. Fine. এটুকু বুঝেছো তো?
Yes,
কোনটা নিউ কোনটা ওল্ড?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yes. Now, if the block is dirty means which you want to replace, that block is in the cache memory, is dirty, then you have to consider that block access time, that the old block access time. And if this block is clean, then you don't need to consider the old block access time, you just consider the new block access time.
Okay.
Okay, this is the concept. দেখো পড়ো এই জায়গাটা, if the block is dirty and it is selected for the replacement, then the time of the T updation is TB old for the dirty, TB new for the new block, and plus the cache access time. ঠিক আছে, I think now it is clear. Okay, over today's class. Okay, till if you have any question, you just note your question and you can ask me into the next class. In the next class you can ask me. You just note your question. Try to solve your own, try to answer your own question by your own. You just read properly my notes, and notes মানে ওটা পড়তে হবে না. Don't read that note in the Google Classroom. Just read your class notes only. Okay. Okay, any question here? Yes sir, no sir. 67.2 304. এই 304 কি সুভায়ন? $304 our room number in college, I think. হ্যাঁ, সুভায়ন কোথায় গেল? যা বাবা,
ওর মাইক কাজ করে না স্যার।
oh
চ্যাট
why you can write here. What is 304? I think 404 is one film there, no? 404. All of see that movie?
67.2টাকে ভুল ক্যালকুলেট করেছিল, ওটাই তখন।
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, কিছু না. I think a new movie or something, because 404 is there. Movie psychological thriller, I think 404. Okay, chalo.